Welcome back to Speak With Me. Today, we will practice 100 sentences about daily routine. Listen, pause the video, and repeat twice. Let's start with the morning routine. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch my body. I stay in bed for 2 minutes to think. Then, I slowly get out of bed. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. Cold water helps me feel awake and fresh. I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of warm water first. It is a healthy way to start the day. Then, I make a cup of hot coffee. Love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning. For breakfast, I usually eat something light. I often have toasted bread with eggs. Sometimes, I prefer a bowl of yogurt and fruit. While eating, I try to avoid my phone. I like to enjoy the quiet of the morning. After breakfast, I check my to-do list. It helps me stay organized and calm. Then, I go to my room to get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes for my day. I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I make sure I have my keys and phone. I put my laptop and notebook in my bag. I check the weather before I leave. I put on my shoes and a light jacket. I grab my umbrella just in case it rains. I take a quick look around the house to check the lights. I take a deep breath and smile. Now, I am ready to start my day. Great job! Take a deep breath and get ready for part 2. Let's continue with the second part. Remember to pause the video and repeat out loud. Repeat every sentence twice to practice your accent. Are you ready? Let's go. I walk to the bus stop near my house. The bus usually arrives on time. I listen to an English podcast during my commute. It helps me improve my listening skills. I arrive at my office at 8:30 a.m. I say good morning to my colleagues. First, I check my emails and urgent messages. I make a list of the most important tasks. I focus on my work for 2 hours. Then, I take a short break to stretch. I drink a lot of water throughout the day. Lunchtime is usually at 1 p.m. I prefer to bring my own food from home. I often eat a fresh salad or a sandwich. After lunch, I take a 10-minute walk. The fresh air gives me more energy. I finish the rest of my work in the afternoon. I attend a short meeting with my team. We discuss our progress and new ideas. I feel more confident when I speak English at work. I enjoy solving new challenges every day. I learn from my mistakes to become better. I clear my desk before I leave. I feel satisfied with my work today. I head back home around 5:30 p.m. The sunset looks beautiful through the window. I stop by the grocery store for some milk. I finally reach my front door and relax. Great job! You are doing excellent. Take a deep breath and take a break. We will continue with Part 3. Finally, let's continue with the last part. You are doing an amazing job so far. Keep practicing and stay focused. Every sentence you say brings you closer to fluency. Don't forget to repeat every sentence out loud. Let's finish strong. I take off my shoes and put on slippers. I wash my hands and change into comfortable clothes. I rest on the sofa for 15 minutes. Then, I start preparing a simple dinner. I like cooking while listening to some music. Healthy food makes me feel much better. I eat my dinner slowly and enjoy it. After dinner, I wash the dishes immediately. Keeping the kitchen clean is important to me. I spend some time on my favorite hobby. I enjoy drawing or reading a new book. Sometimes, I call my family or friends. We talk about our day and share a laugh. I try to limit my time on social media. It is better to relax my mind before sleep. I prepare my clothes for the next morning. This saves me a lot of time and stress. I take a warm shower to relax my muscles. I apply some lotion to my skin. I head to my bedroom and dim the lights. I write 3 things I am grateful for in my diary. I set my alarm for the next day. I get into bed and feel the soft pillow. I read 2 pages of a book to feel sleepy. I close my eyes and take a deep breath. I am ready for a peaceful and deep sleep. I am proud of my progress today. Tomorrow will be another great day to learn. Please subscribe, like, and follow for more. Thank you for watching Speak with me. Good night, and sweet dreams to everyone.